Hi guys, James from Flow MSP here, and I'm going to show you just how fast you could pre-plan a structure using the new Flow MSP app. It's available for iOS and Android, phone, tablet, it doesn't matter. Whatever you have, you can use it. So I'm standing out front of my Type 3 unprotected ordinary here. Right now it's abandoned, but it used to be a tire discount center. It's a common occurrence in most jurisdictions. You're going to have a structure just like this, and it's going to be something you're going to want to plan. So we're going to have at it right now. I'm going to open up my app, and you're going to see the app already knows where I am because it runs off of my phone's GPS chip. I'm going to hit that plus sign, hit add pre-plan. And all I'm going to do is click on the corners of the structure as I see them. It doesn't have to be exact. I hit save. And now I've already started into the plan process. I can add my business name if I wanted to, but I got my address, city, state, zip code, and lot number if I need it. Floors above, there's none. Floors below, there's none. It sits on a slab. So my roof area is 3,900 square feet, and it's 1,300 GPM fire flow, and that's off the National Fire Academy formula. Because I know my fire flow, the platform automatically knows that I need a hydrant, and it's going to select the one right out front here, which will meet that flow demand at 2,000 GPMs. I'm going to hit next, and here's all my drop downs. Occupancy type, business mercantile. Construction type, as I mentioned before, is a Type 3 unprotected ordinary. Roof type is a gable. The roof type, roof construction, I know is an open wood truss. Roof material, it's composition shingles. There is no sprinkler system here. There is no standpipe here. There is no fire alarm. And the population is vacant. If this building was in use, obviously my normal population, I would put that down. My hours of operation, I would mark those down. My owner contact and owner phone, I would mark those down. So you maintain control of your owner contact information. Obviously there are none for those. Notes option, you could put whatever you want in there. If I knew that door had a gate code, I could put that right in the notes section. If I knew that I had to call a certain person after a certain hour, I would put that down in there. Notes is whatever you want to add. I'm going to hit next. Now I'm under my image tab. I'm going to click that add image button, and it's going to automatically access my camera. Now I'm standing here on the Delta side, so I might as well snag that first. Simply point the camera at an appropriate spot. You hit that shutter button. You hit save, and it's going to start uploading images into that platform. Now I'm going to go around and capture the rest of my structure. As I'm walking, I'm going to be noting different things. I'm going to note the fact that I see my utilities right there on my alpha side. Once I got a good shot, snap that shutter, item starts going in. I'm going to continue on around my structure, again, taking mental notes. I'm going to see there used to be a window there, there's no longer there. I see my front door opening, and I got my truss roof marker. I'm coming around down here to my Bravo side. Add photo, get a good perspective shot, hit that shutter button. Move it along. Again, walking around my structure, I'm taking notes. I see we got a short parapet there. That could be a truck issue. This used to be a door, is no longer, got bricked up. Those could be openings in the concrete right there, as I see they're concreted over. Looking at my roof, I see we got one opening right there, but that's it, flat roof all the way across. Coming around to my Charlie side, I'm noting that I've got that chimney there. That could be a collapse hazard. I also noticed that this structure is very tight back here. This is gonna be all ladders, all ground ladders, no trucks. So now that I'm on my Charlie side, I'm gonna get a nice good perspective shot, and I'm gonna hit that shutter. All right, so now my images just got loaded in. So we need to add some notes to these images so we know what we're looking at. Going to my plan, I'm gonna go to that image, I'm gonna hit that pencil. Add symbol. I know this is my Delta side. I use my finger, move it over, pinch zoom, that's all it takes. I'm gonna hit save. Now there's a whole variety of symbols you can add to these different items, and if you go to the desktop version, you can draw pictures, you can draw lines, you can label things with text, anything like that. Whatever helps you remember this structure and the hazards associated with it. But since we're right here, we're going to add that symbol, and again, these are all the symbols you can use. This is my A side. I'm going to pull that guy out. And that's good, because I know it's there. There's my utility marker. And I'm going to save that alpha side. Continuing on. It's my Bravo side. We're going to move that guy right there. That looks good. Nice and big so I can see it. I'll save that in. And my Charlie side. Add my symbol. We're going to move it up there. Nice and big. And we're going to save it. Now I'm just going to look back. I'll pull out. I'm going to see that my hydrant's been selected. It's highlighted. All my images are uploaded. Looks like we're good. So as you can tell, I did this in one take. The timestamp on this video shows you exactly how long it takes for you to pre-plan a structure that's very common in your jurisdiction. Away are the days where it takes us 2 hours to pre-plan something. We're doing it now, we're doing it fast, so we can get our whole jurisdiction done. Thanks for watching, guys.